I just found a really cool trick when it comes to Google Drive file sharing that I want to show off. So let's say you have a PDF or a Word document or an image or anything other than a Google Doc or a Google Sheet or a Google Slide, and you create a shareable link for it. That's great, very easy to do, very easy to share, but then what if you need to update that file? The problem is the link, even if you use the same file name, if you just overwrite that file and drag it into that, drag it on top of that other one, it's actually going to change the URL of the link that gets shared. And that is not great if you want to have a persistent or permalink that doesn't change even when you update the file. So let me go through and show you an example. So I'm in the Finder window right now, and you'll see this Cloud Code Workshop PDF file. All right. So as you can see, if I right-click on Share with Google Drive, it is going to bring up a little window, and it's going to show you that it is being shared. I've actually shared it publicly, but it'll also allow me to copy. So anyone on the internet can view it. So I'm going to copy that link. And we're actually going to go view that file in a browser. So I've already preloaded it. This is what the file looks like. All right. So what we're going to do now is show you how to update the file without this URL actually changing. So I am going to go back into my Finder window. And I've got another folder here, and we've got another file. Let's call it yada yada v2. It can be named anything. So I'm going to go back and open up actually the folder for this file in Google Drive in a browser. So you could, if you wanted to, you can click on this little icon and click on this icon to open it in a new tab. I have already done that. All right, so as you can see, I'm in the folder, and so here's the trick right here. So this is the way to do it. So right-click on this file, and you'll see File Information, Details, Security Limitations, Activity, Manage Versions. So click on Manage Versions, and then you'll see previous versions that have been uploaded, and then also the ability to upload a new version. So I'm going to click on Upload a New Version. Now I'm going to navigate to the new file. So it's this yada yada v2 one. It's in a different location. It's got a different name. I'm going to say Open. And it's going to go through and it's going to upload. And it's done. All right. So how do I test that it worked? I did make a change. So I actually changed the name of the title from Chat to Agent. I actually renamed it. So if I refresh this link, you should see the changes and the URL doesn't change. So instead of saying from Chat to Agent, it now says from Chat to Act. So I've confirmed that it's showing the new file, and this URL has not changed even though I uploaded a new file. So really cool trick. I was unfortunately before this setting up, bit.ly URLs or continuing to change the URL and having to send out the new URL anytime I changed the file. And now that I found out this trick, I can have basically permalinks that I send out, and I can keep on updating the file and not worry about the link changing. If you do use, bit.lys or a short URL, you can still point that to the Drive URL, and then that way that will still persist as well. So I hope you found this a very helpful tip. The next time you want to share a file in Google Drive and you want that link to persist or be a permalink.